Good morning. Juju, you made a mess.
That was
naughty boy.
That was Maddie. Who's that?
Maddie, did you do that?
Whose dog is it?
Madison. Madison. Really?
No,
Really? That's what we're doing these days?
No, Juju
Really?
did it. Juju did it.
No, who did the water?
Maddie.
Oh, Juju.
No, Juju didn't do it because
Who did it?
you could tell Juju did it if his beard's wet. Yeah, he did.
No,
Who did it?
Juju and Maddie.
Juju did it? Juju and Maddie?
No, Juju.
What happened there, Maddie?
His beard's wet.
Wait.
When he drinks
Huh?
water, his beard is
Yeah, what happened there? What's with the hand?
little beard.
She didn't do it. Juju
She
did.
didn't do it.
Her
Her
hands
hand.
dry.
Juju did it.
Juju, don't be fluffy.
And look at Destiny with my dish towel.
Jordan uses
Really?
it.
Really?
Jordan uses it.
Is that what we do now?
It's literally called dish towel.
Not for the floor.
It's called rag towel. But Jordan uses it for the
Really,
dishes.
young lady? Not my floor.
Hey, mommy.
You guys have a mop, right?
Hey,
Yeah, but
mommy.
the mop's not for that.
Make Jason.
But anyways, guys, I'm getting ready to. Where's the stuff that came out of the I'm getting ready to make some oxtail for dinner. I'm gonna make oxtail for dinner because I've been like, this is like 6 something a pound, like, and this was 7 pounds. And I'm just like, why?
How long does it take?
This is why I don't cook oxtail because,
Takes an hour.
yeah, because Happy took out ground beef. And, yeah, that ground beef don't look too good.
No, it was on the freezer before. We'll trash it. Just put it on the freezer and I'll trash it.
So, this is 7 pounds of oxtail. And it's frozen. So I'm going to defrost it in the microwave, season it up, and put it on the fire. Because, yeah, I need me some oxtail. Where's the toddler? Madison? What you doing? Why do you have the remote? Why you have the remote? What you watching? Take your shoes off my rug. Sit down. Sit down and take your shoes off my rug. I need to wash my rug.
She ain't gonna be happy with what I'm about to get ready to watch. Designated Survivor. Yeah, it's ginger beer. It's good for the soul.
Can you pour me a glass too?
Yeah.
What's on your glass?
Never mind.
Is that a dirty glass? Alright guys, come on. Dishes. Hop on them dishes real fast for me, please.
In that cup,
So mommy can start on dinner.
it's
What y'all do? What y'all draw?
I just found the coloring box.
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's a drama.
Oh, I'm gonna find guava nectar because I'm getting ready to make some fruit punch because I have my nothing natural in my fridge. I have some fruit punch, so I'm gonna put that with this, and then I have some ginger. I got ginger in the bottom of the fridge. I'm gonna get ready to boil and make some Marcelo favorite thing, which is ting.
I wish
He
I
was
would have found something.
He was looking for ting. He couldn't find any.
It's good.
This is such a soda.
It's spicy. Ginger.
I'm not a fan of ginger. I mean, I like it, but
I don't want
DMG is always good. They make good soda. So, good morning, guys. It's Sunday up in the Albornoz household. I'm getting ready to make Sunday dinner. I figure it's about time I start, doing traditional stuff. Well, the husband is off for vacation, so I need to treat him nice and make sure that I'm getting dinner every single day.
Guys. The next video you'll see will be at the beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach on Tuesday. It's just a one-day thing, cause it's just a one-day thing, cause I can't handle beach life right now. Sun too hot. Sun is wicked this summer. And I'm sick of beach life because you go to the beach, it's either one or two things. You go to the ocean or you go boardwalking. And
One day is enough.
one day, yeah, I've done realize that before. Let me tell y'all, before.
That's going to lay down.
All right, may I come? May I go get up? May I go get up? Before, we used to go to the beach for the whole week, like pay for, you know, hotel, a house, whatever, and just do. Let me get up, cause Rob, I don't want Rob getting our feelings. So we used to pay for the whole week thing, and then, oh, I got my my chairs on clearance. These are from Walmart, and they were $22. Yeah, they were $22 for two. So I got 4, but only 3 fit at the island. So I got the other one by the desk over there. So, and I put 3. At first I purchased the 29 inch, but then I canceled because my friend of mine told me to cancel that because it's too high. So I canceled and got the 24, and it's perfect height. And they're white, so I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys what they look like. All right, so this is what they look like. Let me push them in. What's up, Maddie? Chaw. I love my little thing, but this is what it looks like. I just put 4 fits here, but I like the look of 3 because 4 just makes it look cluttered. 3 is just like, okay, that's good. That's good. The trash can is over here right now because I'm getting ready to prep dinner, but I like it. I'm thinking of changing the island color to a different, darker color to contrast with the white. But at first I'm like, I will change the color of the white because I don't like, I don't know. It's growing on me every day. Every day it grows on me, so we shall see. Dinner is ready. I made oxtail and rice and peas and mixed vegetable. This is Mr. Alborno's plate. Look at that. Plate fit for a king. All in that tummy. It's about to go down. It smells amazing, guys. I wish you could be here to get some. So good.
Where people were eating cake.
You want to eat cake?
No.
Okay.
Cupcake.
Inside, and that's not very good.
Oh. That's the first time I have brown spot. My hair, yeah.
No, the left rubber, you can't leave the stuff open.
How is it?
You see? The discoloration, this was open. You can't leave it open. You see it? Pink. It's supposed to be pink. Not. Like it's going bad. And it's going to start shrinking.
Well, they can't leave it up for long this week.
Well,
Because they ain't going back.
I don't get it. I don't get it. Every time I tell them, close it. It's somebody's bound to leave it open. And that's what happens.
Good.
This is so nice. I know it.
Hey guys, I figured I would try to explain what was going on here because the camera was in a weird angle. But basically, Rob was complaining about the kids leaving the lunch meat out open after they use it, and he was not happy because it went bad. And I was trying to do Maddie's hair while she ate breakfast at the island. Now that I have the bar stools at the island, it's like our place to gather now. Like, I think it completes the kitchen, and I like having the ability for them to sit around and just hang out in the kitchen with me when I'm doing stuff. And we just like to be together as a family. So that's what that was about. You made me breakfast? Love messing with Rob. Every single time. I'm about to make my coffee. It's raining. It's Monday. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. So it's Monday morning. Hubby's off. Today is his first day of vacation, even though he's been off since 4th of July. So, what does he want? What does he want? What do you want, Jordan? Don't piss off Robbie.
He said we can use the leftovers to make us sandwich.
Leftover? What leftover?
The leftover chicken.
Leftover chicken? What leftover chicken? We don't have no leftover chicken. Huh?
Some of all the chicken from 4th of July and grandma's and my mom's
Whatever.
house
Yeah, you can.
that we later we were gonna cut them up, but he doesn't know what he's doing.
Go ahead. I don't care. Whatever.
He's
Getting
not
ready to
even
go to
complicated.
Walmart. It's early for Walmart, but this is the best time to go to Walmart because yeah, this little jeans dress is big as all get out. I don't know. It rained. It rained a lot. The deck is wet. But anyways, I wanted to hop on here and tell y'all good morning.
What? What are you eating?
So, anyways, we're back. I didn't record in Walmart because, we're going to Ocean City tomorrow for just a day. Because, like I said, I'm over Ocean City. But I'm going to take the kids to the beach. But I'm not spending any money there because, it's expensive with so many kids. So, what I did, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys how we prepare for a day at the beach and how we do it on a budget, okay? So, stay tuned for that. Okay, honey. What is that? What do you need? What do you want? What? What? The TV? Okay, ask Sissy to turn it on, okay? Alright, so for juice, I'm bringing water, all water, and I might make some juice and put it in their juice bottles. Not those. Oh my gosh, there's so much, but those. I might make some juice and put it in a bottle for them. But just in case someone has like an upset stomach or something, I got some 7-Up. Couldn't find ginger ale, so I just got 7-Up. Just in case someone needs to settle some upset stomach. I'm gonna make cold cut sandwiches for lunches. So this is what that is. It's gonna be turkey and cheese, and I already have the bread. So that's for lunch. This is from hubby went to Big Lots and he wants to try out the Amp body wash. So this is what that is, and he loves Dove, so he got that. And I got a brush because the loofah does not do anything for my body, and I need to be squeaky clean in the summertime. Like, I feel like I'm the most dirtiest during the summer. And then I just got this. I just like it because of the shimmeriness. I don't buy stuff for no reason. I buy stuff because it's pretty. There's no rhyme or reason to why. Hubby got some slippers, some sandals because he doesn't own any. He just picked this up from Walmart. And it's just, we had a hard time picking out slippers at Walmart because everything just looks orthopedic. What is that even a word? Yeah. And just look bubble-ish. So this was like $15. And it's just so he has something to wear on the beach. And he's not in his socks and shoes. Because y'all know Rob, he's like a 5-year-old. Always in his socks and crepe. We call it crepe in Jamaican. Some animal crackers for the kiddos to snack on. And then I also got a bag of chips for for the car ride down and back. And then I got some Pop-Tart treats for their breakfast tomorrow in the mornings. Some sandwich bags to put the sandwiches in. Gum for anybody that needs it. Cereal. So what I do in the morning, because we leave bright and early, we leave at 4 a.m. And what I do is I bring this, some foam plate, and then I bring a thermos with cold milk, and then I pour this in the bowl, and then their milk, and then have cereal on the road, so that way I don't have to stop. And then I got some cookies for Maddie, something for her to snack on, for everyone. And then buy her that random thing, I don't know what that was. Napkins, wipes for Maddie, and diapers for the road for her. I already have, there's so much random stuff on this island. I already have swimming diaper for her, and then we got a case of water. So this is breakfast, lunch, and snack, and we'll get dinner on the road. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna catch up with y'all tomorrow when we go on the little day trip. So this is it. Peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.